As October approaches, global container shipping is bracing for disruption with China's National Day Golden Week and a likely wave of blank sailings. While these adjustments mainly target the Trans-Pacific, their ripple effects will also impact Asia-Europe seafood shipments. A blank sailing occurs when a shipping line cancels a scheduled vessel departure, removing capacity from the market. For seafood importers, this means fewer sailings, reduced reefer space, and a higher risk of delays. In practice, blank sailings create short-term volatility, either pushing up freight rates or forcing last-minute logistics changes. China's National Day Golden Week, October 1st through the 7th, is a week-long public holiday that brings factory closures and a sharp dip in export volumes. For carriers, it is the last major opportunity of the year to manage capacity and stabilize rates. The traditional Golden Week playbook is to cancel sailings to balance demand, push through surcharges as shippers rush cargo ahead of the holiday, and then carefully reintroduce capacity afterward. Despite sharp declines in Trans-Pacific spot rates, carriers have so far been cautious with cuts. According to maritime intelligence provider, EC, container lines even plan to add nearly 100,000 TEUs, 20-foot equivalent units, in October compared with September. This runs counter to the usual Golden Week strategy and suggests a new wave of blank sailings may soon be announced. Implications for the European market are clear. Buyers should prepare for higher freight costs, with reefer rates on Asia-Europe routes already under pressure from Red Sea diversions. Space will tighten, leaving shipments of Chinese processed cod, pollock, haddock, and shrimp at risk of rollover or delay. At the same time, Golden Week closures in China are expected to extend processing and export lead times by 2 to 3 weeks. While some capacity may shift into Asia-Europe, any relief is likely to be outweighed by volatility and the growing use of premium surcharges. Our recommendation is to book space early for October and November, diversify ports of entry, and negotiate rate stability where possible. Buyers should also build flexibility into procurement schedules and closely monitor carrier announcements. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to our Europe 3-Minute Market Insight to keep tuned in to European market updates. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight, Europe Edition. This has been Mariana, reminding you to buy smart and eat more seafood.